Now we have to discuss one more system, one more concept in our modern political analysis, that is concept of political system. Among the new concepts and trends of political analysis, the concept of political system occupies a permanent place. It has revolutionized modern political science. The behavioral revolution in political science begins and ends with an overemphasis on the concept of political system. It was Talcott Parsons, a sociologist, who by writing his book Social System popularized this concept in sociology. In political science, this concept is associated with the names of Dave Deaston, Gabriel Almond, and several others of their camp. The concept has been borrowed from natural sciences in social sciences. Before understanding the concept of political system, it is essential to know the meaning of political and system. The word political, first of all, we have to know what is political. The word political reflects power of authority. All these interactions involved in the struggle for power are political. Any association becomes political when its rule or decisions are obeyed by its members with the use or threat or physical force. According to Max Weber, an association should be called political if and in so far as the enforcement of its order is carried out continually within a given territorial area by the application or threat of physical force. The term political includes all these, which include power, influence, control, or authority to a significant extent. According to Easton, political activities inclines interactions in the distribution allocation of authoritative values in the society. Now we have to see what is the system. According to Oxford Dictionary, a system is a complete whole, a set of connected things or parts, organized body of material or immaterial things. There are several definitions of the term system given by several scholars. In the words of Hall and Fagen, system is a set of objects together. According to Bertrand Fay, system is a set of objects together. Dave Deaston regards system as any set of variables regardless of degree of interrelationship among them. He goes on to add that system of a concept may be used in two different but related senses. Firstly, it may refer to the empirical behavior which we observe and characterize as a political life. These are the objects of observation, the things that is student of politics we wish to understand and explain. We can speak of this phenomenal reality as the empirical of behaving system. Secondly, the concept may not refer to the world of behavior, but to the set of symbols through which we hope to identify, describe, delimit, and explain the behavior of empirical system. System here applies to a set of ideas or theory. Hence, we might call it a symbolic or theoretical system. The value of every symbolic system lies in the adequacy with which it corresponds to the behaving system which it is designated to explain. In this sense, a casual political theory would constitute a symbolic system which has its point of reference the behaving system we call politics. Thus, the concept political system will identify the behaving system and the concept structure of analysis conceptual framework for or theory will be used to refer to the symbolic system. Elsewhere in his book, A Framework for Political Analysis, David Easton writes like this: any aggregate of interactions that we choose to identify may be said to form a system. It is also stated that whether or not a set of interactions a system will depend upon the extent to which they naturally cohere. From this point of view, systems are given to nature as natural phenomena. According to Gabriel Allman, a system means a particular set of properties in interaction. A system has three characteristics. So according to David Easton, according to Gabriel Allman, every system has three characteristics, that is comprehensiveness, interdependence, and existence of boundaries. He says that a system is comprehensive because it includes all the interactions. Its interdependence means that various subsets of the system are so closely connected with each other that a change in one subset produces a change in all other subsets. And the existence of boundaries means the points where one system ends and another system begins. On the basis of these characteristics, we can make out some distinct characteristics of a system. Oren Young, in his book Models of Political Science, gives a comprehensive list of these characteristics. According to him, a system has following characteristics. So Oren Young stated that the following 7 characteristics for the system. These are: number 1, it is a set of elements or objects composing a whole. Second one is their interaction and the regular pattern of interaction. Third one is their interdependence. Fourth one, comprehensiveness. Fifth one, existence of boundaries. Sixth one, structures and above all. And seventh one is the functions performed by structures. So these are the meaning or definitions of the two words, that is the political and the system. So next class we have to discuss the what is political system. Thank you.